I promised yesterday to explore this word more closer, and here it is. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have doğramaq. Doğramaq. Doğramaq is to chop, to dice, or to cut into pieces. Now, let's use some phrases. To chop or cut onions. To dice tomatoes. To cut into pieces. Let's see how to say them in Azerbaijani. Soğanı doğramaq. Remember yesterday? Kəsmək means you cut it into pieces, chop. To dice tomato, same thing. You cut it into smaller pieces when you dice, right? You use the same doğramaq here. Parçalar halında doğramaq. Parça is pieces. Parçalar halında into pieces. Doğramaq, to cut. Ayırmaq means to break it apart. You know, when you chop the woods, you break it into smaller various sizes. That's when you use it. Odun doğramaq, for example, to chop the wood. Let's use this in some sentences. Mən soğanı tez doğradım. Because we're talking about cooking this week, let's use. I quickly chopped the onion. Tez quickly, doğradım, chopped. Soğan, we know yesterday, we learned it. There's onion, Shrek's favorite use of onion in layers, remember? Mən, we already know, this is I. Let's use it again for cooking. O, Pomidoru xırda doğradı. You see what happens? Mag, mek, this is to be infinitive form, they drop. That's why we use it that way in the previous sentence and this sentence too. But let's see the translation. He or she diced the tomato. Tomato we already know, we learned it because it was one of the word of the days. That's it, pomidor. He or she, oh, we know this. Xırda doğradı. See, in Azerbaijani sentence, the literal translation is you cut it small. But we don't need to say it because you have a single word in English, dice the tomato. Now, this was my way of using the word doğramaq. Let's see what I have for you here. I can cook. I just can't doğramaq without tears. That was today's word. Come back tomorrow for another fun word that it will have double meaning actually. I'll see you tomorrow, but until then, check masterozerjani.com if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani in much more fun and efficient ways. Cheers.